Hey guys, Claim here, back with another video. Today we're going to be changing the wheel bearing off the rear of a 98 to 2002 Honda Accord. Okay guys, so right here is the rear brake drum of the 98 to 02 Honda Accord. Right inside is the wheel bearing. So if you want to see if the wheel bearing has given out and it's really bad, just give it a test spin. If it's a struggle, obviously you already know that the wheel bearing is pretty bad, or you hear some noise, some grinding noise. To remove the rear brake drum, you're going to remove the two screws that are right here in these two holes that I pointed out. And then to loosen the brake drum, you're going to give it a tap with a hammer or a mallet, whatever you have handy. I have here a hammer. I'm going to tap it so I can loosen the brake drum. So you just give it a tap like that. It'll loosen up the rear brake drum, then you can remove it. I'm removing it right now. So here we just removed it. So now right here is where the wheel bearing is at. The first step to removing the wheel bearing, guys, is you're gonna have to remove the dust cap right here. So what I have here is my hammer again in hand, and then I have actually a flathead, and then you're going to be chiseling the sides of the dust cap, as seen right here, with the flathead. So as you can see, the dust cap is slowly coming out. And you can also spray some WD-40 just so that I can loosen up all the rust. Okay, so it looks like the dust cap has loosened up. As you can see, after you have done that, you can twist it and pry it out with the flathead. Left and right motion, guys. So as you can see, it's dust cap's coming off. So this is your first step in removing the wheel bearing. So it's coming out. So you just successfully removed the dust cap, guys. Here is the wheel bearing bolt. As you can see, it's not your typical bolt that you'd see all the time. Obviously, you're gonna need a bigger size type socket, which I have right here. It's a 32mm socket, which you can purchase at AutoZone. It goes for around 10 bucks. It's really not that much. Or if you have a friend that, or a mechanic friend, you can borrow it from them. But I mean, if you really need to get it for future reference, I suggest you just go buy it at the AutoZone. You can return it. Again, it's only 10 bucks, but this is the socket that you're gonna be removing the bolt off the wheel bearing. I'm gonna show you a sample of a not so good wheel bearing. You hear the grind noise. It's not really, obviously you'd see something that would spin. So obviously this wheel bearing has given out, so you're gonna have to change it. See guys? Alright guys, so to remove a bolt of that size, you're gonna have to need either an impact gun, like I have here, with a socket, or you're gonna need a breaker bar. So make sure either you get one of those tools. Here I'm gonna remove it with the impact gun. Okay guys, to help loosen the wheel hub, you're gonna have to tap it a few times like I've done before. Use a hammer. So it's loosening up, as you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it out now. There you go. So guys, I've just removed the wheel hub here, and the bearings are right inside here. Obviously it's aftermarket, because you don't see it. It's saying made in Japan. I would recommend you put grease in the area. Here I just have WD-40, so I'm gonna spray it right here. So they also recommend to lubricate the wheel bearing. So as you can see today here, I have the WD-40, I'm gonna spray right inside. Okay guys, so after lubricating the wheel hub, I'm now gonna be installing the wheel hub. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of a little struggle when you're gonna install the wheel hub. So you're gonna hammer the wheel hub so it can go in. So I've successfully installed the wheel hub, and I'm gonna show you guys how the wheel hub and the bearings should sound. Alright guys, so I'm gonna lubricate the wheel studs and then the nut and the bolt. Alright, so I'm gonna install the nut into the bolt. And get your impact gun in the socket, 32mm. Alright, so after I've installed the nut into the bolt, and screwed it on tightly, I'm gonna now put the dust cap back on. Next step is putting on the brake drum cover. Alright, brake drum cover is on. Next is just putting on your wheels and you're good to go. Alright guys, so we've replaced the wheel bearings on the 98 to 2002 Honda Accord. Here's how it should sound like. And that's how you change your wheel bearings on your car. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Firm400. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more videos from Firm400. Peace.